The Magistrates Court is the court that deals with the overwhelming majority of prosecutions in this country. All cases start in the Magistrates Court and more than 90% are finalised in that court. At the beginning of March, new guidelines came out from the Sentencing Council. Those effectively mean that more cases are going to be dealt with in the Magistrates Court. At Olliers, we have a vastly experienced team of people. They're dedicated just to dealing with matters in the Magistrates Court. It means that often more than one person can look at a case, can offer guidance and assistance to others, and I think it means that the client does get a very good level of service. It's a very high level of service, and I think they're represented to the very best.
Team working at Olliers is very important. I think we're fortunate in that we do have a good team. If a client comes to me for advice, and I can go to 4 or 5 partners, different people within the practice with probably 100 years experience between them. So I think that in itself can benefit the client tremendously.
We have a wealth of experience at Olliers. Clients' interests are absolutely paramount to us, and what we try and do is ensure that clients are taken through the process as carefully as possible, but at the same time what we like to do is ensure that people are properly and robustly advised so that they can make decisions for themselves.
What you need is a solicitor who knows what he's talking about, who knows the system, who is able to meet with you, take your instructions early on in the proceedings and to make appropriate representations to the police or to the Crown Prosecution Service.
We sit, we talk to clients, we go through the allegations against them and their instructions, what they accept, what they don't accept, and then they'll get advice as to whether or not there is enough evidence to prosecute them, whether or not they're going to be found guilty, and if it's going to run to trial, then they get the best possible outcome.
We understand that appearing at court is a stressful and difficult time for people, and what we do at Olliers is try and guide people through the process, ensure that they feel comfortable with what's going on.
It's a case of sitting down with them, making them feel as comfortable as possible, engaging with them on a level so they understand everything that's going on, and just putting them at ease and making sure they know they're in the best possible hands.
What everybody within the Magistrates Court team has in mind throughout is the interests of the client, and the client is absolutely paramount to us.
It's an attitude certainly that we adopt from the start, and I think it's necessary in order to do what we seek to do, which is obtain the best possible result for the client. We're committed to it. It's as simple as that.